So now this is for 6th class. I am explaining approximation of digits, very important. Estimation and approximation. This is for state, Cbse and Icse. Mainly it is for Icse, and they can also listen Cbse and state. First problem. Estimate how the problems will be. I will explain. Estimate the sum of each pair of the number nearest to 10. First of all, I will explain you how to round off the unit tens place. Round off each of the following to nearest to 10 with very simple. Nearest to 10. This is our chapter name is approximation. Approximation of digits. This is for 6th class state, Cbse and Icse. Approximation of digits. So approximate, what they are asking is round off each of the following to the nearest to 10. Nearest to 10. Nearest to 10 means units place you have to see. What I am saying is nearest to 10 means units place you have to see. This units place is less than 5 or equal to 5. That means if it is same, if it is less than 5 or equal to 5, you need to add, you need to keep the tens place as it is. Suppose here it is units place is 2. It is less than 5. 2 is less than 5 now. 2 is less than 5. So don't add anything to the previous one. Since it is nearest to 10 means underline this, answer is 0. 60. Once again I will explain. Suppose 58 is there. Nearest to 10 means units place you have to see. Units place is 8. 5 is greater than 8 no? Sorry. 8 is greater than 5. 8 is greater than 5. Right? Another example I will take. 543 or 78 I will take. 8 is greater than 5. Nearest to 10 means you have to see units digit. Unit digit is 8. 8 is greater than 5. So underline this. Add 1 to the previous one. Nearest to 10 means tens, counting of tens, 10, 20, 30. So it becomes 17. 80 it becomes. So what I am saying is nearest to 10 means units place you have to see. If the units place is less than 5 or equal to 5, less than 5 is there, don't add anything to the previous one. The answer is same. If the unit digit is greater than 5 or equal to 5, greater than 5 or equal to 5, this 8 is greater than 5. Sometimes the problems will be like this, 85. This 5 is equal to 5. Then also you should add 1 digit to the previous one. So it becomes 90. Here why it becomes 80 means this 8 is greater than 5. So I am adding 1. So 7 plus 1 is 80 like this. Another question. 6296. 6296 units tens. Hundreds, thousand, leave it. Now here what is nearest to 10? This is nearest to 10. Nearest 10 means units place. I told you units place you have to see. This 6 is greater than 5. So add 1 to the previous one. Underline like this. Add 1 to the previous one means what? This is 29. Add 1 to the previous one means 29. Underline these digits. 29. When 9 is there, you should be very careful. 29 plus 1. 29 plus 1 is 30. So the answer is 6. The remaining all places become 0. Like that. Once again, here is asking nearest to 10. Nearest to 10 means units place. Units place is greater than 5. So add 1 to the previous one. So 29 plus 1. When 9 is coming, you should do this digit also. You should take 29 plus 1 is 30. Now it is like this. The answer is this one. Another example. 8261. 8261. Nearest to 10. Nearest to 10 means what I told you, units, tens. Units place you have to see. 1. Units place is 1. This 1 is less than 5. 1 is less than 5. So don't add anything. And underline. Nearest to 10 means tens digit you add 10, 100, 1000 like that. Tens. So 8260 is the answer. Why? Because 61 is there. Don't add anything to the previous one. 60 and this nearest to 10 means 60s. 60, 70, 80 like that. Next one. 265. This is I'm going to explain. 8261 over 3998. 3998. Now nearest to 10 units, tens. What I told just now, underline this. 8 is greater than 5, units place. If units place is greater than 5, you have to add 1 to the previous one. When 9 is coming, remember always when 9 is coming, you should add 1 like. Take the previous digit also add. 99 plus 1 is 100. So that means this is answer is 4000. Why? Because 99 you are adding and 100. So this is nothing but 400. Very important students. This one. Nearest to 10 units digit is 8 greater than 5. So add 1 to the previous one. 99 plus 1 is 100. So 100 means, so I told you this you have to take 99 plus 1 is 100. So it is nothing but 2 zeros. 3 plus 1 is 4. 99 plus 1 is 100. So 2 zeros I have written. Plus 1 is here. So 4000. Nearest to 10 means like this. So let me explain once again. Take these examples which are very important. Understand clearly what I am saying. If the units place, this is units, tens, hundreds, thousands will be there in a digit. Suppose like this, or nearest to 10. Now our problem is you have to round all these to nearest 10. Nearest to 10 means tens, means units place you have to see. Here units place is this, 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 this. If the units place is less than 5, don't add anything to the previous one. Less than 5, which is less than 5 here? Another example also I will take it. Which are the digits less than 5? If the units place is less than 5, units place, these are all the units place. What I told, if the units place is less than 5 means which are less than 5? This one and this one. If the units place is less than 5, don't add anything to the previous one. That means, underline this, don't add anything to the previous one is 30. That is the meaning. The units place filled with 0, the remaining digit you have to keep as it is. Units place filled with 0, the remaining digits as it is. Come back to this. These are the only two situation in this units place is less than 5. Here units place is less than 5, yes. So what I told, don't add anything to the previous one. So that means 7 only. The units place filled with 0, 7. Did you understand the concept? If the nearest 10 means units digit you have to see. If that digit is less than 5, don't add anything, and the units place you have to fill with 0. Come back to these scenarios. This I am erasing. Look at these examples. In all this, the units place is greater than 5. See here, units place. We are rounding up to nearest 10. Nearest 10. So in all these examples, units place is greater than 5, or it is exactly equal to 5. Then also greater than 5 or equal to 5. Then also you have to add 1 to the previous one. In earlier example, I told that we should not add anything, but in this we have to add 1 to the previous one. So here this is, I told you have to add 1 to the previous one. That means 80, underline this one, it is 0. Why? Because units place you have to fill with 0, the remaining digit you have to add. Come back to this, it is equal to 5. So that's why I am adding. Even if it is equal to 5 also you should add. Now come back to this, units place is greater than 5. Greater than 5, what I told, to add to previous digit 1 and the units place filled with 0. I am adding 1 to previous digit and the units place filled with 0. So it is 30. Nearest, see here, 27. Count by 10, nearest 10, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, nearest. Rounding, counting of numbers of 10, 10, 20, 30. Here 27, 20, I round up to 30. Come back to this. So when 9 is there, remember when 9 is there, you have to be very careful while doing the problems. So now this digit is greater than 5. So one thing is we have to add to the previous one. If it is less than 5, don't add anything. This also I will explain. Here this digit is greater than 5. So add 1 to the previous ones. So previous one means it's here in this situation 69 is there. Whenever 9 is there, so take complete digit. Complete digit means rest over digits and add. So it is 70. That means units place you have to fill with 0, 70. The answer is 700. Nothing confusion. Once again I will explain. Units place is 7. So you have to add 1 to the previous one. So what you will do, some children they are getting confused. So what you do is, when 9 is there, you take complete digit. 69 plus 1, 70. This is 70, this 7 is, this 0 is from here. So rounding approximation nearest to 10 is 700. Right? Next. Come back to this problem. Nearest to 10. Nearest to 10 means again units digit. Units digit is greater than 5. So add 1 to the previous one. So when 9s are there, what I told. So when 9s are there, 7, 9, 9. Take the complete digit plus 1. 9 plus 1 is 10. 9 plus 1 is 10. 7 plus 1 is 8. 8000 is the answer. So now come back to this. This digit is less than 5 or greater than 5? Less than 5. So don't add anything. So that means 6. Since it is nearest 10, 690 is the solution. So this is rounding up to nearest 10. So I hope you have understood. Very different types of examples I have given, and I have told and I have explained, when 9 comes, you have to be very careful. Add 1 to the previous one means some children they are saying plus 9 plus 1. So what you have to do? That is nothing but 69 plus 1, 70. Take this, compare. Again 9 came. Take the remaining digits all. So it is 8000. Like this you have to do. Round off each of the following to the nearest 100. Same rule, same principles, but here you should round off to nearest 100. So we will be doing in the next class. I hope you have understood this clearly. Rounding off to nearest 10 units place, you have to see when 9 comes what you have to do. When the digit is less than 5, don't add anything. When the digit is more than 5 or equal to 5, you have to add 1 digit to the previous one. And when 9 comes, you have to be very careful. Like this. Completely you should take like this. Rounding off to the nearest 100. This also I will explain. Nearest 100. Now the question is nearest 100. I will take different examples. 748. This is nearest 100. So in this nearest 100 means 10th digit you have to see. Nearest 100 means 10th digit you have to see. So which are the 10th digit? Round off first. So nearest 100 means we have to see the 10th digit. Earlier nearest 10 means units. Now nearest 100 means 10th digit you have to see. Now same rule. If the digit is less than 5, 4. If the digit is less than 5, don't add anything to the previous one. Since it is nearest 100, underline this. So it is 700. So remaining places you have to fill with zeros. Means units 10th place. And this 7 will remain as it is. Once again, this 4 is less than 5. Don't add anything. So that means units 10th place will become 0, 7. So here first we will see which are numbers less than 5. So here you see 5432. Units 10th place you have to see. Hundreds means 10th place. This 10th place is less than 5. So don't add anything. So underline nearest 100 means 3 digits you have to underline. So it is nothing but 5400. Like that. 4 is there. No, don't add anything I told. 4 you keep as it is. Units 10 plus 0. Now come back to this different situations where the digit is more than 5 now. Here is you see units 10th digit. It is more than 5. So add 1 to the previous one. So previous one means it is 7. Underline this. This is hundreds place. So 7 becomes 8. The remaining places units 10th place will become 0. Next this one. This digit is greater than 5. So add 1 to the previous one. Underline these 3 digits. Don't underline 4 because we are rounding up to nearest 100. That is why I took different examples. So here this digit is greater than 5. Add 1 to the previous one. So 2. I am adding this because this digit is greater than 5. So remaining places units 10th place will become 0. So answer is 2700. Next, come back to this. I told when 9 is there, you should be very careful. Here also 9 is there. Let us come back to this. What I told, this digit is greater than 5. So add 1 to the previous one. Previous one means 69 are there, plus 1 is 70. So 70, tens and these places become 0. So it is 7000. Like that. Once again, this digit is greater than 5. So add 1 to the previous one. So 69, complete digit you should take. 70 it becomes. So tens units place will become 0. Come back to this. Units tens. This digit is greater than, we are rounding up to nearest 100. So tens digit you have to see. Greater than. So add 1 to the previous one. So what I told, when 9 is there, you should take the complete digits, add 6. This is 600 and the remaining digits 0. So that is how you should do the approximation. So in the next class we will be doing more problems. Thank you students. Have a nice day. Bye.